The other big issue you see sometimes is ink or other debris on the camera glass. And this is one that can really make you think something's wrong with your scanner if you don't know what you're looking at. Because of the way the sensors take an image as the check goes past, even if there's a tiny speck of dust on the glass, it gets repeated across the entire length of the picture, and you get something like this. A lot of people think their camera is failing or the whole scanner is ruined, but thankfully this is easy to fix. We'll demonstrate it here. What I'll do is just make a tiny mark on the glass here with this dry erase marker. Don't try this at home, obviously. And then you can see what the result is. We run the check through, and you can see there's a streak all the way through it. Thankfully, this is nothing a regular cleaning can't deal with. And when we're finished, it's actually cleaned it so well that you don't see any streaks at all. If you look at the digital check cleaning card, you'll obviously notice it's got these raised bumps in kind of a waffle pattern. In fact, we even call it a waffle card. And then we all get hungry. And there's a reason for that, which is that these bumps give the card extra thickness, so it's pushing outward and contacting both sides of the track the whole way through. With a regular flat card, you don't get that. There are places where it'll only hit one side or it might miss a spot completely. So in testing, we found that this design is more than twice as effective at removing dirt, especially in areas like the camera glass, where it's really important to get both sides completely clean.